DJT stock analysis tomorrow, Friday and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So looking at DJT, yeah, we've had like a pretty big pull down, which is around like 22% down. But the only thing that's stopping me from buying here is like a decent double break, and that's approximately it. With Trump Media stock, yes, like we've gone down quite a bit, but it's not like it's the end of the world. No, it's not the end of the road. All I'm sticking to is something that I've found over thousands of videos, over 30,000 videos that I've ever found over the last 4 years, and I've documented everything. Well, it's giving me thousands of quick predictions. With DJT, if there is no bullish momentum here, even on the lower time frame, like a 5 to 15 minute chart, yeah, ideally that double break should be starting from here on and onward, right? So double break from here on. If I see it, that would be cool. If I don't, well, I guess I'll just never even participate here. But yeah, if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.